No, it's not a robot. It's made from metal scrap. Looks beautiful. Scrap's Sculpture Park is located near Control Room Circle in Vijaywada, Andhra Pradesh, India. The creator or whoever has done this, hats off to him, because from the metal scrap, whether it's a drum, nut, bolt, decks, anything, he just made a beautiful art from it. Awesome. Ghost rider bike, wow. And that is why we call our India as Incredible India. So if you want to see this, you have to come to Vijaywada. So if you want to see this beautiful metal scrap art, then do come and visit this place. If you like this small video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for future notification. We'll meet in our next episode. Until then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.